In this lecture, I will present you a number of mid-range and premium headset options. Mid-range VR headset models usually have prices between $50 and $150. The quality of materials, comfort level, features, and experience offered by these headsets is considered better compared to the budget models, though in many cases this is not necessarily true. There are models priced even at $100 that offer much less than expected compared even to a simple Google Cardboard headset. In the following list, I will present you some of the most popular and quality choices of mid-range VR headsets that you can find in the market right now. Google Daydream View. The big advantage that Daydream View offers is comfort, built from a soft material rather than hard plastics like many of the rivals. There's a wide range of content now better organized than it was previously on the Google Cardboard, but with limited supported smartphones for the time being. Samsung Gear VR. Samsung was one of the early adopters of VR technology, offering the Gear VR headset co-developed with Oculus, a very well-built headset which supports only specific high-end Samsung models. Omido version 1 and 2. Quality build VR headsets, especially the version 2, with great FOV and lenses. Works, however, in the same way as any Google Cardboard. Merge VR. Constructed from soft, flexible foam, makes this headset light and comfortable. It has two input buttons housed on top of the device, which interface with your smartphone to provide additional control input on certain apps and games. The lenses are adjustable, the ventilation is adequate, and there's room for glasses. FreeFly VR. A quality Google Cardboard-based headset. It has adjustable head straps, faux leather face padding, a wireless glide controller, carry case, and a high FOV of 120 degrees. However, it does not have adjustable lenses, which might cause dizziness and tired eyes. In the premium VR headset market, things are much more clear. Though there are several models available that offer better and better experience, so far there are 3 models that stand out from the competition. 2 of them are PC powered and 1 game console powered. So let's see them. HTC Vive. Perhaps the most exciting headset currently available and the most expensive one. It requires a high-end PC to function, but out of the box you get the headset, 2 wireless controllers with haptic feedback, and room-scale motion tracking. HTC Vive is different from the other VR systems because it gives you freedom to roam around a room. While other systems will allow you some movement, HTC Vive uses infrared sensors mounted on walls to map your location in the physical space, integrating this into the virtual world. The downside is that you'll also need a big enough play space to use it in that fashion. Oculus Rift. One of the most exciting systems right now. The headset is loaded with sensors, offering a display for each eye and integrated headphones. It comes with a camera to add more movement detection information and initially ships with Xbox One controller. The Oculus Touch controllers cost extra. You will also need a high-spec PC to power Oculus Rift. In return, you will enjoy some of the most amazing VR world and game experiences. Sony PlayStation VR. As you've probably guessed, this is a PlayStation-powered VR headset. More specifically, you need to own a PS4. On the good side, this means that the PlayStation VR is considerably cheaper compared to Oculus Rift and HTC Vive. Also, the console itself is considerably cheaper than a high-spec PC, which makes the whole VR system in total more affordable. PlayStation VR uses the same technologies as the others, although its screen resolution is lower than those used by HTC and Oculus. It tracks movement of your head and uses the PlayStation camera in combination with your regular PS4 controller or PlayStation Move motion controls to present the VR experience. Since PlayStation VR is in fact a PS4 accessory, it brings the immersive VR experience to the owners of a very popular and widely available console.